Yo, what's up, beautiful people? Thank you so much again for stopping by to the team, Brian. Yeah, today is another amazing day. Niko kwa metro station, and I'm here to meet this amazing, beautiful lady, Frashia Wokabi. I think you've heard about her because she's really popular in Qatar, and she is a content creator. So today we want to do an amazing video, honestly. And let me just meet her. Then I'm going to introduce the title of our video, and we're going to have an amazing time together. See you guys. Yo guys, so finally tumekutana na Frashia. We have met with the Frashia Wokabi. You can see how beautiful she is. It's my first time meeting her, and I'm really happy, to be honest.
Thank you so much for having me.
Yeah, very true.
Yeah.
So today we want to discuss why is it very necessary for you to have a bank account when you are traveling to Middle East. Let me generalize it, be it Qatar or anywhere.
Yeah.
But before we start our video, I will be unfair kama sijampatia chance at introduce channel yake and what she does.
Okay, so my name's Frashia Wokabi. Maybe some of you have come across me along YouTube. I have a YouTube channel by the name Frashia Wokabi Vlogs. I give videos and information about Qatar, living and working in Qatar, jobs in Qatar, and such things. So we almost make the same videos with you.
Yeah, very true.
So yeah, you can feel free to go and check it out and subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
I really appreciate that. So yeah, I'm happy to be here with you, Team Brian. I can't wait to get things done and giving you good content, following each other after another.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get it.
So guys, we are in the park. I'm like, the lights.
Ooh,
Should
that one is a
do it
good
like
one.
this, yeah?
Yeah.
So we are out in the park for an outdoor video.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's discuss like why is it very necessary for you to have a bank account. For me, I can say like having a bank account is something you really have to do, the very first thing before even thinking
it's
of
a must. You have to have it. For me, I will say one positive thing that you must have this bank account is for you to save keep your money by yourself.
Very true.
Because money is evil. They say money is evil, and it is really evil. You know? It comes and goes, and it can make you maybe not get along with the people who are keeping money for you back
like
at
people
home.
will monitor your financial everything. Is going to be hard for you.
Yeah, so I feel like it's very important for you to have a bank account to save keep your money. You track your money. Don't trust anybody with your money because you never know. And so yeah.
Yeah, another thing is most companies here in Qatar, they don't give you a personal bank account. What they give you is something we call a pay card.
A pay card, yeah.
That you're going. The only thing you can do without money is shop and withdraw.
Yeah.
Nothing. You cannot
There's
save
nothing
or
else
anything.
you can do.
So if you are going to depend on this, na una bank account, say you are only depending in a M-Pesa or something, or anyhow the money, mobile money banking in your country. So it's going to be tricky because at the end of it, the M-Pesa cannot carry a lot of money.
It
you know,
cannot,
it has
they have a limit. Yeah.
And meaning that the only option you will be left with is sending maybe to your brother or mother or sister, and you cannot know how these people are going to use this money.
You never know. Yeah, like there's even like real examples. People have been here and given their relatives to keep for them their money, and for like 2 years, you know, like you are here for a 2 years contract.
Yeah.
You send money every month to your family members back at home, maybe your brother, your sister, your husband, your wife, or anybody. And after those 2 years, you go back home expecting to do some project or some things with this money, and you find that they have used all the money with no explanation. Where will you start?
And these are people you cannot.
You can't do anything.
Anywhere,
you can't cast them. You can't
family.
do anything to them. They are your family. So I feel like it's good for you to have. You know, some people when they come here like for the first time. Actually, this video is basically meant for the people first timers here.
Yeah, first timers. People.
Please,
really
when you come here, make sure you have opened up an account. If you're from Kenya, where we come from, get an account maybe from Equity or from KCB, Cooperative, Family Bank.
All those.
Go get an account because all these banks, they allow you to deposit money from M-Pesa to your bank account. And this is only you who can access the bank. You know, when you come here, you can be sending what you have gotten, you withdraw from the pay card and then send it to your bank account.
Yeah, of course, we have exchange pots here, like you can go and exchange money to Kenyan shillings to US dollars, send to your bank account.
That is not difficult to send to your bank account. it is also good because you'll go and get your money still the same way you put it.
Yeah.
You also have, if you want to help your family, you don't have to send them all the money. You have to, you have an option to like send some amount to your bank account,
Yeah,
and
true.
then the rest you can share with them.
Share with them, yeah.
Yeah.
Nobody's going to track your financial earning or anything.
Like, but then, you know, these people, some people in some of our family members or relatives or even friends, they think that this money comes easy.
Yeah, it's
and
not
it's
easy.
not
Like
easy.
you're working for 8 hours, 12 hours.
You're sacrificing a lot. You know, even sacrificing the family being here, they are back there, and your life also is in a different level.
Yeah.
You sacrifice a lot, so it's also very bad that you go back home, find that people have used your money, and there's nothing you can do about it.
Yeah, true.
It's so discouraging.
So another thing I think why you should open this bank account is for easy things that you may want to execute. For example, your project,
Yeah.
or you want even to buy something that you really need, you know,
Yeah.
or you want to pay for a service online.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to study and you want to start an online course, and you have to pay it because they need your information.
Yeah,
so
true.
it is going to be
I
easy
get
when
your
you have
point.
this
The
account that is going to enable you access the online banking, so that you can easily pay. Maybe it's an online course that you want to do. You will
Yeah.
pay for it.
By your
Maybe it's a
card.
product that you want to import. You
This
can pay for it.
Yeah,
Maybe
because the pay card that we are having cannot pay for those
It cannot
things.
pay, honestly,
It cannot
cannot
pay.
pay.
Actually, most of the pay cards that we are being given, they can only pay bills here in Qatar.
Yeah, in
Even
Qatar.
when you do online shopping,
Yeah,
you
you
can't
cannot.
pay it
Even here in
internationally.
Qatar,
Even here in Qatar,
you
some of
cannot
them are
online pay.
rejected.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's good for that purpose.
Very true. And another thing that I feel like you really need to do this is that there's many ways of earning
Yeah.
money,
True.
making more money.
Yeah.
And most of the things now have gone online that may need. It's more like the first point that just the point that we have explained.
Yeah.
For example, you want to start online earning, maybe forex trading or anything that
Yeah.
you want to do. So it's going to need this your account, or
Yeah.
you want to start buying shares and financial.
You have to have an account.
Yeah, this buying shares, selling shares, and buying it's called what?
This Bitcoin thing. and all
Bitcoin
those.
things, or the government. I'm forgetting the name. The government loans, or you want to access even a loan. Yeah, you want to do a lot of things with this, and also your bank statement. You know.
Yeah. Your
Yeah,
bank
you want
statements might be
maybe
needed
to
somewhere.
yeah, to travel or do something that will need your bank statement. So I
Yeah.
feel like if you have a bank account attached to your personal details, it's going to be much easy for
Much
you.
easier for you.
Yeah.
So yeah, also having a bank account also can, you know, the way you have said that paying things like studying, maybe you're studying
Yeah.
online, you need to pay for those things. Maybe the thing you want to pay for, it's not here in Qatar or
Yeah.
wherever you are. It's something you have to do internationally. When it will be hard for you if you don't have a card to go and tell somebody who has a card, please pay for me this. I don't know,
yeah.
please. You keep bothering people.
And they're going to be much into your life. you
Yeah,
know?
much into your life so much, and that is one thing that I actually don't allow in my life. People to know me so much. They know all the steps you're going
Yeah,
through, everything
it's
that
not
you're
good.
doing. It's not good. This card also is good for your safekeeping. Maybe sometimes you might need to, let's say like to go on vacations. You
Yeah.
use this
You
card.
do this thing. Yeah.
It will also help you, like, you know, in future we are growing, and some time will come and you will be expected maybe to show these cards somewhere for you to get a deal with the
Yeah,
government,
with the
or maybe you are
government, or-
going to get a land. They might ask you even for like a statement to show you,
statement, yeah,
to show
but-
your commitment.
Or even you're traveling to other countries that
Yeah.
require a bank statement. You're not
Yeah.
going to find it hard to get a bank statement.
You will not find it hard.
Yeah.
So it's good for you to have these cards already.
Yeah, I know there is a question people may ask. I want just us to explain it in summary. You're already in Qatar now. You don't have this bank account. What you're going to do? It's
Yeah.
not the end of it.
Yeah.
You're not going to wait until you're going back to Kenya.
Yeah.
You can check. You can do your research on which bank you want to bank with, be it Equity or Family Bank or Cooperative Bank.
Yeah.
You go to online and search for them. They have what we call diaspora accounts. This diaspora account, you can open it ukiwa hapa.
Yeah.
you can open it anywhere that you are. They have agents around. That is another. When I opened my second bank account, that's how I did it. I did it here.
Yeah.
What I did, I followed the steps. I opened a diaspora account. I downloaded what they sent to me, the documents. I signed them.
So
then
it's easy.
I scanned and sent to them.
Okay.
Then I opened my account. It was so easy in a day, like less than a day, less hours. You're done with
and
it.
so when you go back home, you can get the card,
You can access
the ATM
it.
card.
Yeah, even they can send you here.
Oh, they can send you
yeah.
here.
If you
have,
want to apply for it, you can apply and they're going to send
That's-
it to you.
That's a good thing. For me,
Yeah.
I also know. For me, I have an equity account, and I know you can also do that. You don't have even to go to the diaspora thing and all that. You have this. They have this online equity application.
Yeah, but I think equity is kind of different in a way that, unlike, for me, I use Family Bank. Unlike equity and Family Bank, equity you have to physically send these things in a way that you use a carrier, maybe DHL,
Yeah.
or yeah, you have to send it. Then they sign, then which I feel like it's more even expensive.
Yeah,
and
it's more
because I have an
expensive.
equity account, I wanted to open this diaspora. When they told me like you have to physically send this,
Yeah.
and like Family Bank and I think Cooperative also, you just sign, scan, send to
and
the
do
email. They're
yeah.
going to sign, send back to you. You see, it's much easier.
Yeah, another I will also give them another tip, an easy tip. You see, when you are using your Safaricom line, there is M-Pesa and KCB M-Pesa.
Yeah.
This
true.
KCB M-Pesa, there's a way you can open an account still there with your phone.
With your phone. Huh?
Yeah, and when you activate it there, it will ask for your ID, Kenya ID, and all that information. Just a little information, and then you'll get the account. You can be depositing money, and once you go back to Kenya now, you can go physically to the bank
and
get the card and get the paperwork done and everything done. So that is also another tip that you can do if you want to, if you choose KCB to work with.
Yeah.
So yeah, basically in general, it is good to have a bank account here. It
Very
has very
necessary.
many
A lot of
advantages.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you don't have it, you feel like there are some very many things you'll be missing, many chances you'll be missing.
Very true.
And of course, when we come here, we expect for things to open up and to get more, to expound more.
A lot of things.
And so yeah, it's actually necessary. It's really necessary for you to have a bank account.
Yeah, so I think we have explained into details.
Yeah.
Hope really you have got it.
Not
If you have
unless
any
they a
questions,
question.
down in the comment section.
comment
That is your
section.
platform.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we are really going to appreciate. So thank you so much, guys. Kindly do subscribe in both our channels, Frashia, wokabi. I'm going to put the link in the description and just in the comment section. I'm going to pin the link. Yeah, just subscribe to her channel. Taking all this time and
Coming here.
we're not begging you anymore.
And
you
it's
have
hot,
to.
and you are giving them all this free
Yeah.
information.
Kindly do subscribe, like our video. Any last word for them? These are the Team Brian.
The Team Bryans.
Yeah.
Okay, Team Bryans, what I would want to tell you is if you're watching this and you'll go to any Middle East country through Team Brian and you have everything with you, you have your bank accounts, feel free to come and connect with us if we'll still be here. Also welcome if it's to Doha, and we are here for you. Any question you have, just ask and we'll be ready to answer.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah.
See you in our next video.
Bye.